Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Cocktails with Hadrien for another episode of the 12 Bottle Bar, and today we're gonna learn about the Ramos Gin Fizz. So, you know the drill, let's get mixing! This drink was created by Henry C. Ramos in 1888 for his Imperial Cabinet Bar in New Orleans. It was originally called the New Orleans Fizz, but because it became so popular he decided to name it after himself. So popular in fact, he had to hire extra help. More bartenders and even so-called shaker boys to whip that cocktail and achieve that beautiful head. Now, that is what led to one of the misconceptions about this drink, that you have in some recipe telling you you gotta shake it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, sometimes even 20 minutes. And I'm here to tell you that is not true. I think total it's about 2.5 minutes shaking. And trust me, it's really fun, it's a good workout, and it's really worth it. So, to make this drink, you're gonna need some gin, some double cream, equal part mix of fresh lime and lemon juice, some sugar syrup, some orange blossom water, 1 egg white, and really important, ice cold crisp soda water. So now, I'm gonna get my shaker, and we're gonna get to it. First off, we're gonna crack our egg. We're gonna do that in the separate tin, in case either you break the yolk or you break some shell into it, it wouldn't ruin all your cocktail. You can discard the yolk and the shell. Then we're gonna add 30 ml of sugar syrup, 2 to 1. $30 ml of our equal part mix of fresh lime and fresh lemon juice, 20 ml of double cream, 50 ml of our favorite gin. Here I'm using Tanqueray. You really want a citrus forward gin for this kind of cocktail. And then 2 dashes of orange blossom water. And now we're gonna combine them and we're gonna start our dry shake. And now we're gonna combine everything and do the so-called dry shake, which means shaking without ice. Here we're doing that to emulsify the cream and the egg white and making them react with the lemon and lime juice that is acidic and gonna make them get fluffier. So here we go. And this should do it. And now we're gonna add our ice. Here the importance is to add 1 single piece of ice, not too small, not too big, and to shake until you don't hear the ice anymore. So I'm gonna take ice about this size, drop it in there, and here we go for about 2 minutes of shaking. Here we go. That was a little less than 2 minutes, but I can't hear the ice anymore, so that means it's ready. And it got actually a very beautiful fluffy texture. So now we're gonna get our favorite Collins glass, get our soda water ready, and we're gonna pour it. And now we've got our crisp soda water. And one of the good techniques I learned to achieve this beautiful drink is to pour the soda water on the same stream as your cocktail. You should pour about 50 ml of soda water or so. Here it is. And now we're just gonna need to leave it for a minute or two for the head to raise. And now, after leaving it to rest for a couple of minutes, is gonna be the true test of our drink. I'm gonna put a little bit more soda water and we'll see if the head is gonna elevate. Look at it, beautiful. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it happened on this show, the Ramos Gin Fizz. And there you have it, guys, the fantastic Ramos Gin Fizz. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope you're gonna try this drink at home. Please subscribe and like the video, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment if you would like to see any other drink on the channel. Until next time, cheers!